Isak yung kanyang bagong sapatos. Para mamaya kasi meron na silang training. Start today.
No, they're coming in first.
Ah, they're coming home first? Yeah, but they have training this afternoon. Yan yung kanilang snacks. And yung lunch is ham and cheese. Tinatanggal ko yung crust. And etong bread, hindi nila to gustong bread. Binili ni dyan sa shop. Kasi kahapon hindi nakapunta ng Baker's Delight. So, mamaya ko ako. But, yan. Yan na yung lunch ni Holly at saka ni Zach. Si Kuya gagawin ko pa. Ito na yung lunch and snacks ni Zachary at saka ni Holly. Yan. Si Kuya. Eto. Ayaw niya magdala ng fruits. Meron dyan apricot, or peach. Sabi niya, ito lang daw gusto niya. May pera naman siya. Meron naman daw canteen. So, bahala na siya. Kasi ayaw niya. Ayan. So, ito pala yung dinner mamaya. Sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, magigisa ako ng string beans with pork belly. And nagluto rin akong spring rolls. Ayan. And pinapakulang ko lang yung pork belly. And naglaba din ako. Una kong nilaban ay yung bed sheets doon sa caravan. Dinala kasi ni Jan. Inuna ko muna yun kasi malaki yun. And ito yung lunch ko. Yung sweet potatoes. Yan yung lunch natin. Tinanggalan ko pala ng taba yung ating pork belly. Kasi ayaw to ng mga boys. Especially si Kuya. Si Holly kumakain ng taba. Pero tinatanggal ko kasi si Kuya naiinis siya pag may taba. So, yun na lang yung natira doon sa ating pork belly. Laman na lang yun. Igigisa lang natin yung sibuyas, natin bawang. So, aside dun sa sweet potatoes, ito rin yung lunch ko. Wasabi. Sarap nito, guys. So, ito na yung dinner ng mga bata mamaya. Okay na to. Ngayon naman, magsasampay ako. Ang ganda ng weather. Hindi siya ganong ka-windy. Nanonood akong vice ganda din. Sampay na tayo. Tapos ako magsampay. And meron ding towel siya nakasabay. Para din doon sa caravan. Papunta na pala ako sa school ni Holly. Kasi meron siyang dance lesson ngayong Tuesday. Medyo traffic lang dito kasi may road work. Diyan din. Hindi pa rin tayo nag-move. 2:57 na. Dry yung lips ko. Napipil kong nagkakrak yung lips ko. Naglalagay naman tayo ng popo paggabi. Pero dry. And gamit ko na yung ating watch na regalo ni Jan. And ayan yung picture. Hindi ko alam kung makikita. Pero yung picture namin ay yung birthday ko nung nag-dinner kami. Hindi pa nag-move. 2:58. Dry talaga yung lips ko. Meron na rin sa likod. Purong tayo konti. Ayan, medyo nag-move ng konti. Sabay tayo. May road work. Alright, very good. It's not. Lagi na lang may road work kahit saan. Pa-Adelaide kahit dito. Okay naman to nung kahapon. Ayan, ganito na.
Data for just $39 per month for the next year when you sign up to a new service in select postcodes. Plus, enjoy no lock-in contracts at $13 to $52 per month or as otherwise notified. T's and C's apply.
knowledge of Autocare Mount Gambier. As a Repco authorised service centre, you can rely on them to provide fully qualified logbook servicing that protects your rights to a warranty, and it won't cost you the earth.
Dito na tayo. Nakapark sa school ni Holly. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung aking seatbelt kasi pagdating ni Holly, alis agad tayo. Kasi yung kanyang dance lesson is 3:30. So magdadrive pa tayo. And medyo traffic dito kasi nasa highway tayo. So pagdating ni Holly, buckle up agad siya. Tapos alis agad. Ito yung solo ni Holly. 3:30 yung kanyang appointment. And tinawagan ko si Jan. Kasi wala si Jan sa bahay. Nasa shed siya kasi ginagawa niya yung mga ropes. So, sabi ko kay Jan kung mayroon siyang cash. Kasi wala akong cash. So, ko kailangan ko ng $40. So, binigyan niya ako 50. Kasi yung dance lesson ni Holly sa solo, cash yung hinihingi. So, bigay tayo ng cash. Kasi last week, nakalimutan ko. Pero binayaran naman natin. And ngayon, wala akong cash. Sabi ko, Tuesday pala. So, kailangan natin ng cash. Dry talaga yung lips ko. Feel ko siyang dry na dry. Ayan. Ang gamit kong lipstick is yung Aquamarine ng V Cosmetics. Feeling ko nakaka-dry siya ng lips. Maganda siya pero nakaka-dry siya ng lips. Ayan. Naglagay na lang ako ng yung Popo. Hindi ko kasi dala si Popo. Wala dito. Dito na pala siya.
I had SIKG.
What's that?
We did SIKG cooking.
Cooking?
Yeah,
What
we made apple cinnamon muffins.
Is that the one? Later, baby.
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
save that one for you so you can try.
Thank you. Can you remove your shoes now?
Yeah.
And change it to what do you use? Just shoes or the half sole?
Just shoes.
Okay, so can you change it now because we only have 10 minutes before your class, and then we're still driving. That's why it takes you so long.
I've got a hole in my sock from today.
Why? Oh.
Because they are so short. Where's my bag from?
Here in a minute. Can you just take off your shoes, please?
Dad. In a minute, I'm gonna need lost.
It's really hot today.
Yes, it was.
Did you go to the oval today?
Yes.
Or did you return the books?
We return them tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. And then you're gonna get the new one.
I shouldn't get a new one.
Did the teacher give you the reading book? Like
No,
where?
not
Not yet.
yet.
Where we can write your books that you already read
She said we might get them next week.
next week. So it's alright. We're not recording what you read. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's sure.
Is your aircon on there, Holly?
Not yet.
Can you turn it up because it's really hot? Did you enjoy your cooking or baking today?
Yeah.
Caution, approaching red light camera and speed camera.
Do you still have water?
Yeah.
Traffic. Let me see. Is that the one?
I just ate it.
Ah, that's nice. It looks nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this one.
What do you call that?
Apple cinnamon muffin.
Apple cinnamon
Muffin.
muffin. So you're allowed to take some?
Yeah. We only took two.
Good. How's your lunch?
Good.
Did you finish your fruits?
I finished everything in my lunch.
Oh, that's good. And I have to buy bread because that bread is not Baker's Delight. Mayroong malapit na Baker's Delight
I got it from the Avondale shop.
doon sa malapit sa Woolies. Punta na natin yun before. Hindi ko alam kung nasama ko kayo.
Excuse me, Mom.
Yes?
Oh, we just go in the back of the lot to just get bread.
Yeah, just to get bread. Because we don't have bread. I didn't get yesterday.
I think KP is not my favorite. I'm really dumb.
Done. I got my watch back.
Oh, that's cute. How'd you do that?
Oh, I just put the photo of us there and stick it there.
That's a nice one.
Okay, malapit na kami.
Finish one.
Okay, put your rubbish in the bag, please.
I did. I had to give Chris Zach $2 today for his pancake.
Why? He didn't have a $2?
No,
Why? Daddy didn't give him.
no. He only gave
And then
me
how
$1.
about you?
I had one. I forgot I had the $2 in my bag.
So you give Kuya Sak your $2?
Yep.
To have a cupcake.
No, to have pancake. Mommy, do you wanna-
Pancake?
Yeah,
Why you have pancake for?
because we had to bring $2 for the leftovers in the fridge, so we had to. We do it every year.
Okay.
Mommy, you want to try my
Ito yung gawa niya sa school. Ay, it's still warm. Oh, that's why you're so late because you're waiting for this?
Yes.
Okay, change your ano ba?
Okay. I'll change into my dress. You like it?
Yeah, it's not that sweet.
Yeah, isn't that sweet?
Actually, it's nice. It's not, hindi siya ganun
There's
katamis.
cinnamon on top, by the way.
I have to save some for Daddy.
Yeah. Better save them. What else do you want?
But I don't think so they will be home.
Oh yeah, they'll be at footy.
Yeah, ito kasi yung
Put
first
it
day
in
of
back in the bag when you're...
footy training nila.
Okay. I'm gonna get changed.
Yung dinner ni Jan, naluto ko na sa yung dinner ng mga bata. So, yung dinner ni Jan is, may bacon pa kasi kami doon. So, lulutuin ko bacon and eggs and then,
Wait, what are we having
with
for
bread.
dinner, Mom?
I cook Filipino dish there. With,
I
like,
love Filipino food.
yeah, with, beans and pork and rice. So, ubusin lang muna namin
Mom,
yung
this is
tira namin doon, nadala namin from Renmark. So, kaya kuha ko
Did you
ng,
make mince?
no, not mince, it's a pork belly.
Pork belly, is there any fat in there?
No fat. I removed the fats because the boys don't like the fats.
I do.
Yeah, I know you do, but the boys don't.
Could you give it to me? Or
No.
did you not cook it?
I did not cook it. I put in the air fryer. Pina-crispy ko siya. I'm not sure. Ganun na yung kaliliit. So, yun. Si Jan, ano lang siya. Simple dinner lang siya nga. Yung bacon and eggs. Tapos kuha tayo ng bread sa Baker's Delight. So, ihatid ko lang to si Holly. Hurry up, baby. Sabi ko sa kanya, dandan siya dyan sa sapatos niyang yan. Kasi leather siya. And mabato to. Come on. Baka mapunit agad. Diyos ko. Siguro bilang ko siya ng tsinelas na para dyan lang sa car ilalagay. Kasi lagi ko nakakalimutan yung slippers yung ipasok sa ano niya, sa bag.
Kenzie's car.
Okay. So, para hindi na ibaba. Para pag dancing, mayroon siyang tsinelas. Tapos na siya.
Are we going to Baker's Delight now
Yeah.
to get bread?
So, punta tayo ng Baker's Delight. Ito, malapit to dito sa Woolies, yung old Woolies. Dito. Kasi may bagong Woolies yung doon sa marketplace. Yun yung bagong Woolies.
And then go closer.
Yeah, this one is close to your dance. So, dito tayo kukuha ng bread. Hi! Kumuha siya nitong roll. Ha?
Called a finger bun.
Finger band. Finger band daw yung tawag siya. Okay, let's
Thanks,
go.
Mom.
You're welcome.
You want one?
No, I'm okay. Get the other one. Thank you. Alright, let's go home. Tulog na pala si Holly. Ayan, pagod na siya. And tumawag si Jan. Tinanong ako kung pwede raw i-move yung class ni Holly, yung Thursday class ni Holly sa ibang days. Sabi ko hindi pwede kasi naka-fix na yun kasi yung training sa netball every Thursday. Sabi ko hindi na pwede yun, babe, kasi yun fix na yun at saka bayad ko na yun. Nabayaran na natin yun and yun talaga yung schedule ng ng aerial tsaka ng ballet. 4:15 tapos 5:15 to 6:45 yung niya, yung dance niya, yung class niya sa aerial tsaka ballet. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung nagiging situation sa kanyang sa kanyang training sa netball kasi sa Thursday na kasi si Jan ngayon nasa siya nasa training ng footies. So we'll see. Sabi ko pwede ngayong Tuesday kasi lang si Holly 30 minutes lang. Kasi yung iba raw na nasa netball, yung mga ibang batang katulad ni Holly, napamove daw yung ibang schedules na ibang days para maka-train sa netball. Sabi ko, paano? Sabi ko, paano naman? Sabi ko, ilang weeks na nagdadance si Holly. Ngayon mo lang ako, tinanong dyan. Alam mo naman na every Thursday, umalis kami ni Holly, diba? Tapos, tingnan natin kung Tuesday pwede siya. Pero yung training ng same age niya is, Thursday. Kasi kailangan niya mag-train kasi hindi niya alam yung rules sa netball. So, tingnan natin pagdating ni Johnny Bell kung anong sasabihin niya. Ito na kami sa bahay. Hoy, Baba, we're here. Mamaya pa yan. So, balitaan ko na lang kayo guys kung ano.
Hi, my lovely friend.
How's the training?
Hot. I need cold drink. A cold drink. Can I have this?
Hiya.
No, mine's up the top.
How's your training?
Yeah.
Good? Huh?
I made that. I don't like it.
You didn't miss?
Yes, I did.
No, Holly did.
Oh, no, I've made that before.
Yeah, before, but this time Holly made this one. Right? What do you think, Daddy?
What's it called?
Apple cinnamon.
It's not that sweet.
Absolutely beautiful, Mama.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. And so Holly will train Tuesday with the...
I don't know, we're away from the road already.
Yeah, so hindi pa alam. Kasi si Holly Junior 2, dapat siya maglalaro o magti-training. Pero pag...
My favourite though, apple cinnamon.
Apples, oh, that is favorite. Pero sabi ni Jan, pag hindi raw ma-change yung dance lesson niya sa Thursday, baka Tuesday siya magti-training kasama yung Junior 1. Pero maglalaro siya sa Junior 2. Magti-training lang siya para alam niya yung rules. And ayan, gumagawa kami ng homework niya. Lutuan ko na ng dinner siya. So, egg and bacon, ha? You finish it, babe?
Yeah, you feel like I ate it.
Yeah, I know, but I said try it first because you're gonna have dinner. Naubos niya. Masarap talaga siya. Hindi siya ganun katas. Do you want me to cook your bacon and egg now? You got rice here, yeah. And then the Filipino, you like it, the beans and pork. Ayan si Jan. Nagagawa sila ng homework. Ready na yung kanilang dinner. Ito yung kay Jan. Egg and bacon. Ayan sa mga bata. Yung kay Holly na lang kunin ko. Done, Baba? And meron din ditong spring rolls. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Like it, yeah? That's your favorite, yeah. That one. But it's not the string beans, the Filipino string beans. Gusto niya yung ano yung sitaw. You like the other one. The snake beans. The Filipino one. What do you want, Holly?
Fat.
Fat. There's no fat. Ayan kay Johnny Boy. Oh. Good hand? Round 2 for Saki.
Can I make
You're welcome.
some more rice, please?
Okay. Kay Kuya malaki yung
So, bakit?
ano niya, serving.
Oh, no.
More, rice? You have more rice. Meat.
Meat, please.
Mag-alas 8 na, guys. And naligo na si Jan, tsaka si Holly. Si Sak, tsaka si Kuya. Nag-ride. Nag-aabang naman sila ng sunset. Ha? And paubos na yung tubig namin. Rainwater kasi ito. What? This one? Nafe-feel daw ni Jan na gumagano na yung shower.
I don't think it matters.
Yeah. So, wala kasing ulan for how many months, right, Ann? Umuulan naman, pero yung parang konti lang, hindi talaga rain. So, nararamdaman na sa shower na paubos na yung rainwater natin. Tapos, eto, sa gripo yan. So, pwede siyang i-feel nito. Pero, sa laki niyan, mas maganda pag ulan kasi rainwater is the best dito sa Australia, especially dito sa area namin kasi walang pollution. Ang linis-linis ng tubig, tas may filter. Ang laki niya no, paubos na, nafi-feel na ni Jan, sabi niya, I can feel that we don't have much water. Ayan. Wala pa yung dalawa. Nag-ride para mag-catch ng sunset. Oh, ang ganda dun. Hindi ko alam kung makikita yung kulay. Pumunta sila somewhere there sa likod niyan ng farm. Pag naka-follow kayo sa TikTok nila, makikita nyo yung mga bikes nila nakaparada somewhere. Tapos, pinifilm nila together with the sunset. Ah, malamig yung hangin. Okay, balik na ako sa loob. I-continue ko na lang tong vlog bukas. Or the next day, we'll see. Kasi maikli lang tong vlog natin. And siya nakaligo na rin, tingnan nyo.
Mom, there's a coin that's supposed to fit me now.
Okay.
That.
Tingnan mo yung buhok niya. Ganyan siya. Tig-isa
Half
kami.
moon.
Ha? Half moon niya. Tig-isa kaming ganyan. Para sa buhok. Okay. See you next time, guys.
Cause I think